Hi everyone, Deb here. I am here with hashtag Gel Pens with Tess, hosted by Coloring with Tess. I had been participating and then for probably the last month I have not, so I'm a little behind. I skipped ahead. The last page I did was this one, which I think was on June 10th, which then this would have been 6, 18, and 24, which I did not do. And this would have been July 1st, and this would have been July 8th. I probably would have done that all at once, and I love that. I love all these pages. And then this one should have been for today, I think. However, I just kind of randomly went ahead and picked a page, so I did the next page, and it is this one. So I wrote on here in pencil 722. I might go back and do that one for next week, time permitting. And it's just fish, pretty fish and bubbles, and I did not do the background. I know we can now, but I just didn't. And I only used Papermate Inkjoy, a little bit of Papermate Inkjoy Brights, and then my AN glitter gel pens. And that's it. That's all I used. So I think they came out okay. Pretty good. There's a couple things. Of course, there's always a couple things I would change. Like these purple flowers are too dark and I would have done them differently. Maybe should have been a brighter, lighter color like the orange down here or something. But I wanted yellow and orange on this fish, and then these look like poinsettias, so I did them in a red, which I hadn't used yet. And this one I did in brights, yellow and white. And these little things you can't see the stems on now because the purple was so dark. Um, they were done in the yellow bright as well. And I think they look alright even without stems. So yeah, let me know what you think. Do you have a favorite, top, middle, or bottom? Put it in the comments down below. Hmm. See, normally I go for the blue, but I'm tied with these two, I think, this time. The orange and the purple. I think I like the purple one the best. I don't know. I can't tell. I like them all. I did a little shading, more shading on this one on the um, tail, what do you call that? I know these are the fins. I guess the tail fin? I don't know. Anyway. It didn't seem to go as well on the purple one, so I'll go with the orange one. Yeah, I think I like the orange one the best. Anyway, let me know what you like best. The top orange, middle blue, I'll call it, and bottom purple. And please be sure to go check out Coloring with Tess. She will be linked in the title. And also hit the hashtag if you want to see what everyone else is doing. You don't have to use this book, but Tess was using this book and I wanted to use this book as well. I have had it already. So yeah, I'm going to try and do more. I can't guarantee every week. Um, I'm just finding it really hard to keep up with weekly collabs. Anyway, I will let you go and I'll talk to you again soon. Let's see, today's Tuesday. Yes, I will be back tomorrow, the 16th, for a different collab. See you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.